being ingenious, I forgot the bolt that connects to my little tripod, so looks like you're stuck with me holding this. But this is, of course, a 360-degree video. If you'd like, you can move your phone around, your tablet around, or if you're on a computer, use your mouse to click and drag the video around. But of course, this is best viewed with 360 VR goggles, such as the Oculus or Google Cardboard, or you get the idea. I should probably put an Amazon link in the description for a decent pair if you don't have them. But this is running a lot, so there's the next one already. I don't know why it took me several weeks to think to do this. But it's rapidly deploying today. And as before, I mentioned in a live stream recently that when it's not running by, it's actually pretty quiet here. I'm still kind of speaking loudly because the microphone's all the way up above my head. Again, sorry about the hand, but not having the bolt, this is my only choice. I always forget that thing. I wish I could post this as a premiere, but unfortunately you can't premiere a 360 video. I've tried. Of course, it still shows you the option when you upload it. Why YouTube doesn't just put a little bit of coding in there to remove that option when you upload a video that's not eligible? Not something I can answer. Here comes the next one. Or it might be the same one. I don't know how many trains are on the track right now. Now what I can do with this is also export it as a 1080p video and try to use keyframing to track the train as it goes around. But obviously if I do that, I'm going to upload that as a separate video. It is sort of a lesser known, or maybe a feature of 360 cameras people might not think about as much, is that you can simulate a camera move with a lot of precision in editing. So you don't have to worry about getting it right at the time. Of course, you lose resolution, but I've done it already with some shorts I posted. So I'm recording this on the 27th of March. See how long it takes to process. It's not going to be a very long video, so it shouldn't take that long. It shouldn't. I'm gonna wait, I think I already said this, but I'm gonna wait for the next train and I'm gonna end the video. So, there is no end screen on the 360 video, so hopefully if you aren't subscribed, please consider doing so. Please like and please share this video. Wait for this car to go all the way through, but thanks for watching. Train. I meant to say train, not car.